Hello everyone, welcome to TEYU and SMA Live Studio. I am today the host Sunny. Now because today is the last day of December in 2025, so the time goes very quickly. Now tomorrow it is the 2026 the first day. So wish our client and your family filled with joy, prosperity, and good health in the new year. Now, today I will take you inside the TEYU assembly workshop. And now because some people will concern about the package, so we are in the production line and in the package side. But before we start, we need to quickly to introduce our company history. Okay, now our company TEYU was founded in 2002 years with over 23 years manufacturing the industrial water chiller and the fiber laser water chiller, and also as well as the ultra fast water chillers, so as well as the water cool water chillers. So they are very applicable for the how to say is the CO2 laser, and also the fiber laser and the UV laser and the industry application. In this year also we have developed two brands, TEYU and SMA brands. So they have been recognized as the industry, and also our quality also get approval by the clients. I think many people the new clients will curious about that. How to say is what machines you use the chili to cool, and it is very wide. You could imagine that, for example, is in the industry cutting and the welding, also the cleaning. So, and also how about is the engraving? Jeans has a pole, has a button, so they will also engraving some engraving by their some, how to say, just is about the brand. Because some customers pay more attention to these brands. So that is the application. And now we also conclude that in the 24 we need to talk about the sales. Actually, our each year annual sales data is increasing each year, and let me think about that. In 2024, our annual sales quantity up to the 200,000 pieces. So it is very large, and in the 2025 data we will talk to the next. Yes, now because we are conclude and summary we just to record the data in these days. About here, I need to talk we have developed many chillers to all over the world, and also for example, our main market generally have in the Europe we will have the Germany, Poland, Netherlands, and Italy, and also in the middle we have the Turkey, and also we also have the Korea, and also have the Indonesia and Singapore. And the in the North America, we have the America and also the Mexico, yes. And also in the South American market, we generally have the Brazil, yes. So in this year, and also in 2025, we need to talk about our the exhibitions. Just is to briefly to talk about it. In this year, we have attended many certifications. For example, it is the botanist in Shanghai, and also we're also going to the overseas exhibition. For example, just is in the May month. In the May month, we already attended the Brazil Expo Math. Also, we're going to the Germany for attending the welding exhibition in industry. So in this exhibition, we met many clients and listen to their thoughts on our chillers and to dedicate it to improve our chiller on our product and bring the good service to our clients. So also we because we have export many chillers to different countries. So we have the certification. For example, our many products has always the CE, EMC, ROSE and REACH certification. So they are compliant to meet the European countries for the safety electricity. Yes, in addition, we also have some models obtaining the UL certification. For example, just is the CE 5200 Ti, this model, and this model we have sold many chillers to the America. So if you have any, if you are from the America or the Canada, you want to sell the UL certification, you could contact us. Okay. Now let us begin with the introduction for the package site. Okay. Before we start, right now I am standing in the CW 5000 models production line, and now I am in the packaging site. So for this model, because many people, this area is responsible for the inspection and also the protective packaging and also the shipment preparation. So because many people, I met some customers. Let's begin with the first step. Actually, you could see the package area step evaluation. Package area step evaluation. You can see the production line. The finished chiller will come off the production line, and also it will coming through the lifting station, through the conveyor. And the clapping, you can see. You can see the clapping machines lift the unit steadily and also safely. You can see here. Yes. Now it is produced the CW 5200 model, and it is the finished product, and it will come through the conveyor through the station, lifting station. Yes. Yes, that is used by the conveyor. And also you could see our the clapping machines. Clapping machines lift the unit steadily and stay safely. This avoids the scratch and also to protect the chilies stretches. Now the workers is going to start production. Just is too next. We cover the whole machine with protecting. And they will take the plastic back to here to seal the machines, and we also this prevent the dust and the moisture and also the contamination during the transport. So yes, now we will introduce the step 3. Step 3 later. You can see the guys prepare the foam, and also the protective foam is placed inside the box. We can see this procedure. Yes, this is the foam. So that it also can fit the chili with the floor. Yes. And now it is the plastic foam is placed inside the box. And that is also, this foam helps absorb the vibration and also prevent the damage in the transportation. So they will also pull the accessory here. And now we will going through the step 4. 4 is the boxing and selling. We can see here the chiller is placed inside into the carton, and also accessory already has pulled inside the carton. Now he will close, then we close and seal the carton securely. So after going through the conveyor, and now we will come into introduce this, the shrink wrapping. So here it is the shrink and wrapping machines. Next the pack unit go through the shrink wrapping machine. The process follow the standard production procedures. So they will add the layer to protect the machine well and give their yes, you can see here. Yes. So here we will give the plastic layer in our machines, in our carton box. Yes. And that is also to prevent our cartons to avoid the water and also others, and also to prevent the damage. Now in the step 6, inside also has the strapping and the palletizing in our robot arm lift. After wrapping our carton box, so we will show you the robot arm working. So here just is we use the robot arm lift to here. You can see here And after wrapping, the carton is spinning tightly. And also now we adopt the robot arm to deliver the finished chilies and also to palletizing the chilies. So that also it could save the labor cost and also improve our efficiency. So yes, we could see that. Now our machines 进来去拍那里出来了，我在这里就不用拍我。So our finished chili is coming through the conveyor. Yes, here. And now it is very quickly and very strong, very powerful to pour the chilies neatly on the palletizing. So that is for the whole complete package processing for the inspection and also the so we just to introduce the machines from the finished chiller, then going through the coming out of the chiller and coating the foam and prepare the carton box to package our chiller. And also we also adopt the shrink wrapping machines to adding the layer to increase the chiller package. Yes, and also we also use the robot arm to deliver the chilies. So that is for our customer. Every step is controlled well, fully controlled, and that is not only to improve our working efficiency, but also to make our working standard and also to make the package standard and deliver the good chiller and good package to our clients. Now here I want to talk about our company because some North America regulation for the refrigerant. So we need to simply to talk about the refrigerant. Now our company already have a full plan to face the regulation from the America. For example, now we will use the R32 and as well as also we use the R513 and also even the R290. These gases to face the GWP less than 750. Now already because this regulation push our industry to phase out the higher GWP. For example, just is the R10 and the R407, this refrigerant. So we already to transition to the sustainable and the environmental refrigerant. And also we are going to fighting the transportation because we also want to comply the international transportation for the new refrigerant. So that is no problem. Also we need to because in the end, I want to show you recommend some. No, sorry. In the end, because many new clients don't know how to choose the right chilies, so we here also give some taste to everybody, and they will to everybody how to select the right chilies. For example, one, if your chili, so we need to, first one, you need to consider application. For example, if your machine is CO2 laser, you could consider our industrial water chillers. Otherwise, if your machine is the fiber laser cutting machine, you need to consider the fiber laser water chillers. So we have different water chillers for various applications. Second, we will ask our clients your requirement for the cooling capacity, because that is very easily to know and suggest the right chilies. For example, if your CO2 laser needs about 1.4 cooling capacity. Kilowatt cooling capacity. Now we will suggest the CW5200 model. But if you are the fiber laser cutting machines, now your power is the 3 kilowatt water chillers. We will recommend the CWFL 3000 this model, because this model is applicable for the 3 kilowatt. Yes, but if you don't know the cooling capacity, now we will, according to your machine's power, to suggest the right chillers. For example, if your CO2 laser is about CO2 laser is the 80 watt powers. So we will recommend the CW5000 model. So that is easy. If your machine's power is very high, you require the cooling capacity also it is bigger. No, so maybe people, after my introduction for how to choose the right chiller, maybe people will have basic understanding for how to choose it. Yes. 说讲完了吗？ What？ 我想一想，我刚刚讲了什么？我讲了轻轨，我又讲了扔证。 哪些荣耀？ So we could see the production line here. 看一下这里吧，就在这里看就行了。 So now our production line here, it is assembly the covers and also here also. 这个没弄吧？给我借我一个好吗？ Hello everyone. Yeah, now it is the smaller water chillers. You can see in the real production line. And now the workers are assembling the covers and also some spare parts. Yes, you can see here. And here, this is the covers. You can see that is very heavy, so the quality is very guaranteed. And also here we can see in the front side, in the front panel, we could see here. Sorry. Here, this is our CW 5000 model. That is our hot sale and popular model. Here also we have the inlet and outlet. Yes, and here is our alignment. Yes, here also our power. Yes, we have the 3 pin here, and also here is our 2 sets because we can also to increasing the cooling capacity. Yes, so yes, it is very good looking and very heavy. Yes, we will coming through our here. 快过来吧。看这边吧。So from the production line, we could see our the production line belongs to about 40 and 50%. So it is very long, and our chillers will do many procedures from the assembly, some spare part covers. Yes, we could see our wheel going through the one round around. From the cover assembly and the cable assembly and also the fans. So, do you want to look around? So that is our component assembly area, and also it is our water tank. Yes, here. Yes, inside is our gas refrigerant leakage. Yes, in the end. I think it is very most important. That is our flow rate testing area. That is to test our flow rate working normally or not. Yes, that is the alarming. So yes, follow me to the next. I remember that I have the Turkey clients very strict with our journey. Just is the water leakage, because we need to test our water, and the water cycle it is the normal. So it is very important because some clients want to keep the dry. Yeah. So here we will drink our water after testing. If no problem, we will release. 可以吗？So that is our simply to look our production line. So our live studio is very coming to the finish. So if you want to look our next time live studio, looking forward to. Okay, see you bye bye.